How to log into your Temu account. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Temu application. Then here you have seen the accounts that has already been accessed and logged in. If you want to log into it, simply tap on this and you will be logged in. But if you want to log into a different account, then what you have to do is complete this verification process and sign out from this and tap on this sign in with another account. Then paste your account or simply write your email address. Tap continue. Then just use your password. Then sign in. Here it says incorrect password. So I have to add a different password which is correct. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next video.